Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Wednesday. We got Powell speaking today. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm a little worried about this trade, right? I'm in this trade, been in this trade since yesterday, and let me just show you why I got into this trade. Okay, we're in about exactly. We are up about 39 pips. About 40 pips right now. So yeah, this is about right. Somewhere around here. We're just about right here, right? And the exact reason I took this trade is the same reason we took this trade here, right? We had this ILC that was formed right here. The prices respected it a few times. Right. Seen the rejection here. Seen it coming up. Oh, fuck. Sick. There's a big ass hawk right here. Hold on, guys. This is my little. Oh no. Like a bat or something. Damn, this shit. I think it's a falcon, not a hawk. Get out there, fucking motherfucker, beat you, dog. I just got a kitten too. My bad, guys. Man, there's a beautiful hawk right here. Love that shit. Alright, so let's get into it. So we've seen the rejection here at these levels. That's why I entered a sell limit and was able to go ahead and enter the trade. Now I'm hoping we could take it down to at least this level here before it starts making its way back up, which I think is a real possibility right now at 630. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see if price will give us the opportunity to go ahead and really push down. Now I could be completely wrong. We could clearly see that there is some level of support being formed right here. And usually when you see that, especially with a break of structure to the upside, when you see this right here forming, right here on top of the EMA, we can see it's probably the 30-minute EMA, right? So what we could see is just a rejection here and a big push up. So the only reason I'm in the trade is because of this key level right here. We know it's a key supply and demand area as well. We know this is a daily level right here, this black line. So when price is under it, I'm expecting it to be sold off. Once it's on top, I'm expecting at least a little bit of a push up into this area here. So for me personally, this is more of a risky trade. It's a counter trend trade because price obviously broke these lower highs here. And once it broke these lower highs, price is probably going to retrace. But this could be all the retracement that it's doing. Let's see if it's like what is this now? And this is a 23%. Let's see, or 38% trade. So 23%, you can kind of see it right there. 23%, right? So a 23.6% rejection. We could probably see it push up pretty fast, right? So I'm gonna move my stops to break even. We don't know what's gonna happen. Powell's speaking right now at 6:30. So we're just gonna see what happens right here. The 4 hour does look pretty bullish, if I had to say. You know, even though we're getting a bunch of rejections right here, all these rejections, you could still obviously see this big push right here. So it's just a matter of if price is going to really give us what we want. You could see it's also this ILC here. So there's a lot of things that are factoring in right now. But let's see if it gives us what we want. Hopefully we could take it down to this area here and then possibly push it down to this area here. So let's see. Let's see. So we're up about 37 pips right now. It's a little off. That's close enough. And the ADX is pretty undecisive right now, as you can see. So let's just wait and see what the price gives us right here at this point. It looks good to come down, but we don't know, right? Powell speaking right now at 6:30. Let's see. Fed Reserve. Alright, let's see what homie's talking about. That's June 14th. Second. Where's today's video? Man, I don't even know where to see today's video. Shit. Yeah, I can't even find today's video, so we're getting a big push down. It looks like a lot of people are expecting a sell-off, right? Move your stops to break even. I think I might even take profit right now. I'm up 480 right now. Pulled a quick 200 out of there. Put me at 1233 for the day. I have 268 running. Stops are at break even. Let's see what happens. All right. Whoa. Take some more profit. Took some more profit. We're at a key level right here that I have marked out on my chart. So took some more profit. I should have waited. Could have made an extra 200 if I waited. But we're at this key level right now. I think I'm gonna move my take profit down if I'm just being real. I'm happy with the profits today. I had it at 850, so about 40 pips from here. But damn, you can hear that hawk right now too. Man, been killing it these past couple days. Like the past week or two. All right, let's see if we can break through. So it's using this level that I have right here. So it's kind of this area right here, this little ILC that's being respected. So we can still do that. But oh, maybe not. All right, getting to our TP right now. If you guys want to take profit, if you're already in the trade, you can take profit. This is my issue, you know, I'd be taking profit too early. But we're up about 100 and something pips. All right. All right. It's moving. It's moving. Man, I don't know if I should just close it or if this is a big thing right here. Fuck it. Closed again at 145 pips. 1500 on the day. Let's fucking go, baby. Now I got a 0.01. We'll see what happens from this point. Let's fucking go. Big dog shit right here. So I just got a 0.01 runner right now. We're up about 142 pips. So we're still got our runner in here. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I like that, baby. Still going. 150 pips right here. Not too shabby, my dude. Now it could push up from these levels, right? We have this ILC here. We have this one here, which is going to be probably the key one right here. So we'll see what it gives us. Playing with me. It looks like it touched it on my MT4 this level, but not quite here, so. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Shit, my NAS is probably hitting right now too, huh? Oh, NAS is actually pushing up. Sheesh. It's a good thing I had NAS in yesterday too, which I pulled out. I took two small losses on NAS overnight, and then got back in. So shit, it's not bad, dog. It's a good day so far. I want to see if I can maybe this shit falls off like 400 pips, take me to 2K. That'd be dope. See, what I got to get better at is holding my trades. I had a .07 in here, so oh, these Falcons are so beautiful. Um, Man, thank you, God. Feeling good about it though. I mean, overall, this was a pretty decent trade. It was a risky trade, but I knew that this area, this is the same area we sold off from right here, right? And let me get this chart. There's a chart I usually go off of. Run to it now. Got a gun to it now. Yeah, right here. So took this trade here, and then yeah. So once I seen this rejection here overnight, I woke up and then I was like, all right, let me put my sell limit in just a little bit lower at this ILC, which I did. And I had another one up here, but it didn't hit. But shit, it's not bad, man. It's a beautiful trade. I think we're done for the day, though. There's no need to trade anymore. If you guys want to hold, I'm holding my runner, right? I just have a runner. I think I'm gonna hold it until maybe we get down to maybe this red line here. It's about 228. I'll set my limit, and we'll just go from there. So not bad, senor. Big time shit right there. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Playing with me. Down. You can see it's still pushing down. Not too shabby, not too shabby. You can see where the ADX is at, right? ADX is flowing. Ooh wee. Talking about 140 pips right now in profit. Everything's looking lovely right now, so we'll take it. Um, yeah, it was a risky trade. Price is broken structure, but I thought with Powell coming up, with this key level being respected, that was the second time I knew I was able to hop in with this sell limit, and yeah. So we're done for the day. Just a runner in there now. BEA, beautiful. Turned out that would seem too much. Gotta go into it now. Looks like it's still moving. Seem too much. Listen, I drink too much. It's not a bad trade. Yeah. Hey, honestly, guys, it could push up right now. We know that because look at it's at the 50% area, and like me, I would really take this trade right here if I hadn't taken it before. Is this one right here as a buy? I'd be looking for a buy right here. This would be a key area for me. Golden zone ILC. I might just put a little one in just because I made a little bit of money today, like this. I don't even know what Powell's saying right now. He could be saying something good that leads back to this to push up. We might see that right now. It could push up right here at the 50% area. Um, yeah, I think this is actually a very feasible area target. So maybe see price make its way up from, because we know it's a break of structure, right? We know that. So what we could see, we've seen the break of structure here, return to order, right, and push up. We could actually see that. So I actually like this right here. Didn't quite touch it. Let's see what it looked like. You'd probably need about a 60, 70 pip stop. Let's just call it 75 pip stop loss. And you'd probably be able to take it at least to here. So 1 to 1.5. And then maybe up to the daily, 1 to 2. That might be good right there, right? Oh no. What the fuck? Hold on 1 second, guys. Dog, what happened to that fool? Fell asleep? Oh, damn. He has insurance and everything, right? Alright. Sheesh. Yeah. Fucking. It's fucking scary. Damn. Well, at least he's cool. Fuck. That fool rolled or what? Sheesh. That fool's lucky to be alive, dog. That's crazy, dog. Fuck it. Alright, for sure. Well, fucking, damn. That sucks. Alright, well, fucking, I'm right here on the YouTube live, so. Yeah, I have a .01 going right now. But it might be getting ready to buy right now. There's a golden zone. Yeah, I might be ready to buy, so. I don't know yet, because where I know, so. Might be saying something good, might be saying something bad. I don't even want to listen. I just want to do what the chart tells me to do, so. It could come up from here. It's a 50% rejection. It definitely could, but I would wait. Because if you do it right here, your stop loss would need to be 115 pips from here. Well, like if you were to get in right here, your stop loss would need to be like 115 pips on a buy, yeah. But it looks like it could be going up. So it's a 50% rejection, but the ILC that I have is like 33 pips away. But it's 50 pips away. Yeah, that motherfucker could push up right here. So for a buy, yeah, because it broke structure already. I would say it could go at least like it could go like 80 pips from here for sure to retrace, but we don't know what he's saying, so that's why I might. I don't know. I don't want to put a buy in. That's what I'm like. Fuck. I don't get greedy, dog. Yeah, I don't want to fucking put a buy in and lose and be pissed. Fucking. We'll see. All right. All right. Later. Man, don't be undersleeping, man. One of my buddies just got into a big time car accident last night. Thank God he's okay and the other person's okay, but fell asleep at the wheel, I think. That shit's crazy, man. He works them graveyard shifts, man. Them shits are deadly. I had a cousin who did that shit too, almost killed himself working the graveyard shift, falling asleep at the wheel. Shit's scary, man. But back to it. It looks like, I think it could make it at least back down to here. We'll see what happens, but you could already see 3 rejections. Let's see how it looks on the 1 minute. Staying under this line, right? Under the green line that we have. Oof. See, that's why you stay away. Let's see what Pal's talking about. Forex Factory. Pal speaks. Oh, so he's part of the ECB forum on central banking and Sintra. Let's see what this dude's talking about. I mean, I'm not going to put it in just because, even though price is telling me to at that golden zone ILC, I'm not going to put that in just because I'm happy with the profits. But look at what Pal's saying here. Policy hasn't been restricted for very long, so maybe he thinks we should go longer. Fed sees more tightening power coming through, so he's going to be raising rates again. Strong majority for 2 more rate hikes in dot plot. So we'll probably see one in July. They probably won't do it in August. They'll probably do a rate hike in July. I heard something about doing a rate hike in July, holding off on August, and then doing it. Ooh, look at that. Might pull my trade right here. Got right to that level. So this might be killing the market right now. Who knows? But you see it got right to that area right there. Might pull my trade right here. Just because it tapped that area, there's a possibility it could go up. What are we at? 157 pips. I don't know if it could break the zone. We'll see right now. Might just pull it. Yeah, fuck it. I think I'm gonna just pull it. Yeah, that buy, right at that area. We'll see what happens if it could break through here, right? I'm down to look at this and see if buy is coming through, right? think I'm gonna pull my trade right now. Yeah, I just pulled it. 154 pips. Can't go wrong with that shit, man. 1737 on the day. I want to see how it treats this. I put a small little .01 in there. I'm up about 4 pips right now. 2 pips. 1 pip. Just a .01. I'll risk $100. I ain't tripping. Today was a very, very good day. This is my best day in a long time, so 2 trades, NAS US30, so it worked out the way they needed to. I just want to see how this plays out. It doesn't look so good right now, if I'm just being honest. Motherfuck. I'm up. Now I'm down $1.24, $5, $3. Which ain't too bad, so fuck it. I'm only doing $1. This is a risky trade. His pal did just say that the tightening is coming, more tightening is coming, so I think people understand that. I'm pretty pessimistic when it comes down to all this shit. You know what I mean? Pretty pessimistic. I just think that, I don't know. There's a lot of shit that needs to happen right now. So we are down 18 pips. 14 pips. 12 pips. So we're somewhere around here. Down 12 pips right now. I don't know, somewhere around here, so. Yeah, 75 pips, fuck it. Call it 80. $80, less than 100. And we'll take this up maybe to here. So 1 to 1.5. We'll see what happens right now. Don't risk this, guys. This is just what I'm on. And I pulled this at 154. All right, here anyway. So we go to the 5-minute. We see, yeah, this is the area right here. So usually I would draw this across. Boom. Turn that green. See what happens. It either rejects it and pushes up or just blows past it, right? A lot of selling pressure right now, though. So let's see what happens. I am down $26 right now. Let's see. Oh shit. Damn, right off of that line, huh? See that? Now I'm down $11. Whoops. Oh, look at that. Still has a lot of shit to go through, but that's a pretty nice rejection. Still 2 minutes left too, so it could still fall off on us. It still hasn't done much to show me. Because what really needs to happen is it needs to get up here and engulf. Uh, see, it needs to get up here and engulf this candle. Even though it engulfed this one, I would say it needs to get up and engulf this because it rejected the 1 minute 20 EMA. Then it's gonna have to get up on top of this green area, so it can still fall the fuck off right now. That's fucking very, very possible. So, um, just be careful. Because I'm a down line. So I'm down. I'm down $2, $4, $2. You know how this goes. Give or take, that's about right. Oh, $8. It could still come down, guys. Just be mindful of that. Let's see if they said anything else about Powell. So he said he sees more tightening power coming through, hasn't been restricted for that long. Policy may not be restrictive enough, may not be restrictive for long enough. Oof. Wouldn't take moving at consecutive meetings off the table. Oof. So it's getting worse. So he's just getting worse and worse and worse. So that's why he's saying what he's saying. You know what I mean? Yeesh. So maybe we should just get out of it. Remember, I'm only using a 0.01 here, so I'm only risking $1 a pip. You know what I mean? But as long as it stays on top of this, we're looking pretty good. Well, basically on top of this, I think we're looking good. Yeah, let's see. Down about $6 right now. $10. I'm just telling you to say that this is a risky trade right here just because Powell's speaking, saying some shit. The man is saying some shit. What's up, loco? It's my one-eyed cat. Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see, man. Doesn't look so great, right? But as long as it stays respecting this area, we're good. But oh, see that? That's not gonna do it for you. Doom, 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 doom. It needs to finish pretty bullish right here. Let's see how the 5-minute finished. Yeah, finished decent, but that's still pretty risky, right? See how the 3-minute. Yeah, it's still pretty. It definitely looks like it could still come down right here. So I'd be careful if I were you guys. If you're in the trade, but it's still respecting this area, so there's still a good chance it could push up. It's just got to finish up there. See how it's not breaking, but we could still kind of see. I guess it's still not clear enough. That's not clear enough. You would need to see, get the second point going first, and then we could go off of it. So that's not valid. That's coming down. Has to respect it. Because what might happen is it might just be taking out buyers right now, right? So I feel like I'm wasting time. I think I might just close it. Looking down. It's my down. Down $9, $11. And it's so funny because for me, I still feel it. You know what I mean? Like I still feel the emotion of the trade, even with small money. You know. Rejected it again. See if it can finish bullish. Still got a whole 45 seconds left on this candle. 7 o'clock hours coming. 7 o'clock usually price with Powell speaking or news coming out. 7 o'clock is usually the point where it's 7 o'clock is usually the point where price either flies up or flies down. Right, so we'll see what happens. Oh, Chetos definitely has to break past this ILC right here. If it doesn't, I know you could already see what it did right there. Sellers are still in hot, so red. It's like a 38%. So I like to see that. I'm interested to see how the 5 minute and 15 minute, how all of them finish because we got the hour finishing right now too. So I'm interested in seeing exactly how it finishes because they don't look so great right now. And if you look at the 15 minute, it's a good rejection, but what that means is it's probably going to come back in here again before making its way up, if it even does make its way up, right? So hour is obviously super fucking bullish. I mean bearish. 2 hour is finishing on an hour, so yeah, the hour. See the 30 minute real quick. I know it's still bearish, but yeah, that's not gonna cut it out right there. Not this. Rejection up top, still respecting these zones. It's probably not gonna cut it, so let's see. Go time. See that? What I'm talking about. See if this area holds up. Yeah, see that doesn't look so great. Honestly, if it breaks this, I'm probably just gonna get out, just because I'm kind of over it now. I'm pretty happy with the profits for the day, but let's see. Yeah, it's still coming down. Then it looks like pretty bearish, right? So 10 seconds left. How's it finish? Fully engulfing, no rejections. Yeah, that doesn't look so great for a buy, right? But let's see. That thing looks like it wants to come down. Right off the 20 EMA, right? This ILC up top, little rejection. .61% right there. It's already hit, so kind of looks like it's coming down. Let's see. See if Powell said anything else to fuck the markets up. Um, Sorry guys. Damn, Nas looks pretty ugly. Oh, that falling off the face of the earth. See, I'm about mine. Loyalty, respect. Yeah, that's not looking so great. Looks like it's coming down. I think I'm gonna just close it off. Call it a day. Down $38 right now. Damn, I'm at 1737. See if it respects it or breaks it. Because right, if it breaks this low right here, then I think there's a really good chance it falls off even farther. Pretty good rejection. Does it turn bullish? 3, 2, 1. Didn't turn bullish, but it's a nice rejection. And this low wick didn't break this wick. So it's really up to these next ones to see if they either go up or go down, right? Mm, honestly thought it would move a lot faster, but it really just moved those first few minutes after the what do you call it? Hmm. Let's see, 20 EMAs right there, right? See if it blows past it or doesn't. Hmm. Still not breaking it, huh? It's not a good candle to finish right there. You see how it rejected it right at the end, right there at the end. Still 30 seconds. So you know how I said that Powell said that they'll probably do like July, skip raise rate hikes in July, skip August, and raise rate hikes again in September. Well, now he's saying that consecutive meetings isn't off the table either, so that's another real possibility. So, let's see. Let's get in that push. Does it break through? Who knows? Man, I really don't know if it's going to get this push the way we want it. Doesn't look like it all the way. Oh, there you see that. See if the 5 minutes gonna finish like this, then we know it's coming down, right? I think I'm gonna just pull out. This shit's taking too long. And it looks like it's coming down even more now. I closed everything. Fuck it. It's 17 for the day. You don't call it like that, man. Fuck it. I'm good. Uh, it could go up. I'm just happy for the day. Hopefully you guys were able to take something from this, learn something from this. What's up, man? Hey, thank you for watching, bro. I appreciate you for hopping on with me, man. Um, yeah, shit. We'll see what happens here. I think it's a little too, the news is a little bad, or Powell, what he's saying is a little bad. So I wouldn't even trust it right now. I think it probably is going to still continue to come down. I think it still could push up, even from here. But I think maybe it makes it down to this resistance to support area right here, which is a real possibility, before it makes its way up, which, can happen. So we'll see what price gives right here. I think it's still definitely going to have to retrace at some point. Just might not be today. You know what I mean? So thank you guys for tuning in with me. I know sometimes I hop in and I put my sal limits overnight, whatever, but appreciate you guys for hopping on with me today. Thank you, Trout Trezzy. And shit, we'll get it tomorrow, man. We'll see you guys, man. Thank you.